welcome to Kermit's cooking channel. Today we will be making ourselves a lovely cake. Okay, so first you're gonna want to preheat the oven to 666 degrees. Just like I'm doing right now. Yeah. Okay, so the first ingredient that you need to add is flour, but it looks like we're out of flour, so bread is the only substitute. So yeah, let's get it in. Let's get this bread. Okay, so the next ingredient is cocoa powder, but of course we're out of that as well. So the only substitute is what else do we have? Is pudding. The only substitute is pudding. So my lovely assistant will help me put the pudding in here. Okay, so you put pudding in like that. Okay, so next ingredient is vanilla, and we will be using peppermint mocha vanilla. Please hold it up. Thank you. And then you just pour some of that in there. Just like that. Okay, so the next ingredient is vegetable oil, but hey, we actually have that. Alright, let's just pour some of that in. So meat oil I think works too, but if you're vegan, then vegetable oil is the way to go. Okay, so the next ingredient is 2 cups of milk, and we also have that. So my assistant's going to pour it in. I said 2 cups. I said 2 cups. Okay, so the milk is in. Now we're going to add the 12 eggs into our lovely mix here. Egg number 1, egg number 2. Now that you've added all the ingredients together, we're going to grab a whisk and whisk it together. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna put the mix, carefully put it into the oven, and now we wait 5 hours.
Kermit, I think your cake is burning.
What did I tell you about bothering me while I'm playing Fortnite?
Your cake.
I don't care about the cake. I'm playing Fortnite.
It's been 7 hours.
Oh crap. Okay, so it's been about 5 hours, and we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Look at that beauty. That's how you make a beautiful chocolate cake. Wow. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment down below on how your cake turned out. Time to cut the cake.